there folks, welcome back to another video, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Today we got our O-ring, so now we can go put it on the motor that I was trying to work on in the last video. Here's our carburetor and our O-ring. Let's just open the sucker up without breaking the new one. Do we have scissors? No, we don't. Let's see here. Hopefully I didn't break the O-ring. Let's get it out here. This is a little more different than what I'm used to, because this one here is a lot more thicker. This one here is a lot more thinner. We're gonna see if it fits here. Listen carefully. The sucker fits perfect. The O-ring fits around there just nice. Hopefully the motor will run. That sucker fits perfect. So all we gotta do now is put the sucker on the lawnmower, and then we can do a couple pull starts, and then she ought to fire up. Let's start it up. It runs! Alright, so I've been having a lot of brainstorms because I just took it outside and I started it again and it runs beautifully. So the wiring's not really working like I want it to, but I am going to try to get the headlights to work. So right here we got the rope tied up to here, which runs down over there to here, and then right out this little hole where the spring is connected at, and we tied it up right here. So whenever you push it, it does this. Someone comment down below that he put electrical duct tape on his piece of wire here that got chewed up a little bit. We're just gonna wrap that up there. There we go, that's all electrical taped up. Put that back on there. Hey Diesel, come here boy. There's our good boy. Why are you leaking? This may look like a coffee cup, but it's actually sweet tea. Alright, so today we went and bought some more fuel lines and replaced them, and now we don't need any tape. The other ones actually had like some cracks that you couldn't see.
Nice. Hey, you got the original muffler on it. I smell gas.
So I just have to adjust how much fuel is going in. Alright, I had this idea. And then you just do this on these two. Then you just slip the pulley on top of it and then you just bolt down. Alright, so we got those three on there. And then, boom. There's just enough to put those bolts on there. Alright, so we got it out here and we got her perfect. All set up. Alright, throttle's good. Fuel's turned on. And then now let's just see if she starts. Alright, so now, as you just saw there, I just adjusted it to where it will rev up if you just quickly tap it, because before you saw how I was trying to rev it up and then it would start dying. Pretty bad, so that's not good. Well folks, I just officially caught this thing on fire off film. Like that flame went up to here, past up here. Whew. That was the scariest thing ever. I didn't know what to do. Well, right there, that burnt that all up. Burned up in there, melted down onto the muffler, and that's just a big mess.
What?
Yeah, that carburetor filter's toast. And there was that leak like I showed you guys earlier, and I was just right back over there, and I was just about to park it, and I revved it a couple times, and there was a couple backfires. All of a sudden, it caught on fire, and it shut off. Well, now I just remembered why it shut off. It was in reverse and in a pretty low throttle, and when I hopped off, the clutch slammed back, and it shut off because it didn't have enough power to move it, so that's why it shut off. And also, I got back here yesterday, and I ran right out of fuel right here. Well, she's empty. We had a real adventure today. I hope y'all really enjoyed it, from building the motor to running it to blowing this thing up almost. And I really hope that y'all really enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you all on the next YouTube video. Adios.